Happy Monday, Mid-Missouri. It's been a wet start to the day. Much needed rain has fallen across Mid-Missouri, and we're keeping rain in the forecast throughout the evening as well. In fact, rain chances are increasing later this evening, and that's after temperatures top out this afternoon in the upper 70s and lower 80s. In Columbia, our official forecast coming in right around 82 likely today, with not much sunshine, but just enough to climb us back into that 80-degree temperature range. Temperatures at the moment at about 12:30 here, coming in the upper 70s, and that's with plenty of cloud cover, just enough blue to see, just enough holes in the clouds to see the blue, of course, but winds also out of the north, and that's kind of keeping things feeling a little bit more pleasant. That is because there is a stationary front just to our south. We saw that cold front move through last night, and it kind of slowed down and stalled just south of us, and so now we've got cloud cover, a north wind, and even some rain out there to keep things really mild today. Here's a closer look at radar again. Here at about 12:30, mostly shower activity just north of I-70. We've generally been dry through the southern half of the viewing area since early this morning, where we saw that heavy rainfall. And this afternoon, we kind of swap places. North and south, we'll likely see rain falling mostly north of I-70 again. We may pick up an isolated storm or two to the south of I-70 as our upper level winds kind of push in here. Our low level jet, we'll say, brings in a lot of wind, and on the nose of that we may pick up a couple of storms to the south, but our main concern is going to be to the north. I think that's where we've got the better chance for not only heavy rain, but multiple rounds of heavy rain. So through about 10 o'clock, we're starting to see some thunderstorms develop. Our main concern with these is just going to be a lot of heavy rain, lightning, and thunder. And more than just heavy rain, what you'll see here is redevelopment back off towards the west. So once we see round one move on through mid-Missouri, these storms that are moving west to east, we'll see more of them move into mid-Missouri. And so that will keep round after round of heavy rain potentially during the overnight hours into early morning. So again, if you have any low water crossings that you typically cross, maybe in the middle of the night when it's not easily visible, be very wary of that potential for some flooding overnight tonight into early tomorrow morning. That rain potential has spawned an aerial flood watch for Macon County and Monroe County. Again, we've been pretty dry, so hopefully if we don't get this rain to fall too quickly, it'll just be a good soaking rain and we won't have to deal with too much flooding, but the potential is there. So a 24-hour rain total so far, we've seen the bulk of our rain to the south, again, just south of the lake area. Some folks have seen an inch or 2 inches, and that, again, that's right around 12:30. From here forward through about 4 a.m. tomorrow morning, our bulk of our rain is coming north of I-70. We could see near 2 inches or maybe even more. So again, a lot of heavy rain on the way for folks north of I-70 and maybe even closer to Highway 24. But folks in that direction, in store for at least some rain that will hopefully chip away at some of the drought that we've had. So Tuesday, we keep more rain chances on the board into the afternoon. Wednesday, we'll have off and on chances for rain throughout the day, and Thursday as well. As long as the stationary boundary stays nearby, we're going to keep the rain in the forecast. But throughout Thursday and into Friday, that boundary's moving away, and we're looking drier, but still cool for the weekend.